Start crunch? Want to start crunch?
Your keys are in the ignition, and your lights and your radio are on. Your battery's gonna be dead. You're locked in the car. That was fucking Matt fishing game. He fucking walked back to. He went back to the set station to go sleep. This was a whack ton. Not even no bird dog, and we're gonna be stuck.
No, he's gonna call AAA. Well, I didn't.
That's funny. He had my number and everything. That's fucking hilarious.
Is the car on?
No, you left the keys and the radio and everything on.
Oh, that's fine.
You're gonna have to. How are you gonna get in it?
AAA?
Damn, that's gonna take hours, man.
That's why I don't like rushing.
Huh?
That's why I don't like rushing.
Rushing?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
When I get all in a rush and shit, I always forget something. I started looking for my keys right now too when you were talking on the phone. I was like, fuck.
Fuck, dude. Fuck.
The key, it's not running though, he said, right? Did he say it's off? Did he say the truck was turned off? Well, that's all that fucking matters. What's up, you little shit? Alright, I got my one bird. We can go home. Got fucking dinner. No. Got one. Huh? Yeah, blue wing. Pick up my fucking decoys and shoot a bird. What up, guys? It's never too late to make a rookie mistake. So, we're out there at the blind. Not even a blind, we're free roam. All of a sudden, John's phone rings. There's John right there. Turns out, we are just so popular that the game warden has our numbers. So the game warden calls us. He's like, hey, Mac left his keys in his truck with his lights on. So, we sat out there. I ended up shooting one hen what? Is it a cinnamon? Hen cinnamon. As I was picking up my decoys. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, we're walking back now. We're done with the hunt. Ain't nothing flying. I mean, it's completely dead. I think I'm the only one that took a shot at a bird today, and I got it. So we're walking back to wait for AAA. Fun, guys. Only Mac does videos like that. Look at this. Somebody went off the road right here. I mean, look, here's one track, and the other track's down here. Oh, wow, look, you can see right where he went off right here. Oh, shit. So somebody was driving, not paying attention or something. Probably seen those cones up there, because there's some little cones. And then he went, wah. Here's where his passenger side wheel went off. And he was probably like, oh, shit. And his car was like, arr! And then his driver's side wheel right there. So he's still here sitting like this on this freaking road. Look at that damage. I'm kind of curious how he got out of here. Wow. Be safe at the refuge, guys. Never know what's gonna happen out here. These roads just drop off. Let's take a little trip down Mr. Man's freaking thing right here. Alright, so we back here and we on the road. He's like, and he's like, oh. And he's like, oh shit, fuck, 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 fuck. Man, look at that skid marks. Whew. John thinks he might have been laying down in there sideways. Somebody pulled him out. I don't know. Alright guys, and that pretty much concludes our hunt for today. There is no birds. Everybody in the lots are pretty much packing up, coming out, so yeah, stay tuned. I don't know, like and subscribe.